And it was just a matter of time before Russians start to panic. Russian military bloggers are reporting that the Ukrainians has broken through to Verbov. If true, this is the 46th Airmobile Brigade, and it is huge in many ways, especially combined with the Ukrainian report that the 82nd Air Assault Brigade has also moved on Novo-Prokopivka. This means the main lines of the Russian defenses in the sector have been breached. Belarusian Silovik also writes, a colleague of Ossetians reports that a DRG has broken into Verbovoye. Breakthrough of the Ukrainians in Verbnoye. Destroy them, brothers, writes Ossetin. And the column of Russians near the Nova Kakhovka decided to stop. It was a bad idea. Here is one car, second, third, and the whole column destroyed.
Ну вот он, прилетик. Вот эта машина подбитая. Одна, вторая, там третья. Так вот вся колонна, блядь. Так вот все подбито.
We have received information about a new sabotage incident in Crimea, where 14 Russian soldiers were killed in their barracks. Sources within the general staff and the Crimean government are reporting that 14 soldiers were killed in one of the military units. According to these sources, the soldiers were killed while they were asleep. Saboteurs managed to infiltrate their rooms and fatally wound them, either by striking their hearts or cutting their throats. The method by which they bypassed the guards and gained access to the barracks remains a mystery. A few months before his murder, terrorist Prigozhin himself said that the war machine, under the guidance of Putin and Shwagu, which he figuratively called a tank, might kill him. He openly spoke that Putin stopped providing him with inmates from prisons, Shoigu stopped supplying Wagner PMC with ammunition, and the system authorities started trying to prevent him from successes. The question is, who's next?
Собственно говоря, смысл танчика. Хочет танчик тебя разогнать, с ним пускай уже разберет. Конечно, ответственность за ребят, конечно, ответственность за сделанное дело. Но когда тебе не дают делать это дело, когда тебе не дают боеприпасы, когда тебе не дают людей набирать, когда тебе вот так вот везде палки в колеса. Ёлки-палки, ребят, ну возьмите уже, завалите меня, да и все. И живите дальше мирно и спокойно. Потом в истории, может быть, в учебниках скажут о том, что могло бы быть все лучше, но там же не только я мешаю.
They'll do it. Russian propagandists are worried for Surovikin's health. Who are they, the propagandists mention? And why do these war criminals sound so worried?
Я скажу даже больше, да? Для полноты картины, вот эти типун мне на язык, да, не хватало еще, чтобы Суровикин от инфаркта умер. И я не шучу в данном случае, надо быть очень внимательным. Сейчас надо быть очень внимательным, они будут это делать. Они будут стараться для того, чтобы у них все пазлы сложились, не хватало еще, понимаете, вот для, так сказать, и за этим надо очень внимательно, так сказать, смотреть и нашим службам, потому что их задача одна.
A street band was singing Russian songs in Georgia. A Georgian seized the microphone and recommended them to follow the Russian warship. I don't want to hear Russian songs in Georgia, he emphasized. Another day, another fire in Russia, in Rostov. Big fire at the Dniprovsky market. Rather incredible footage of a demining unit of the 36th Separate Assault Brigade working on a Russian minefield in the south. Archive footage from the start of the counteroffensive. Russia. Truck carrying 20,000 vodka bottles crashed and caught fire, but miraculously, the vodka bottles survived. Residents of the village in Saratov quickly stole all of it, and some even started drinking right on top of the debris. Al Jazeera's reporter Rania Dridi has been taken to hospital after having been beaten up by a Russian man as she was reporting in Arabic from St. Petersburg regarding a Wagner memorial. The Russian man was upset with her for speaking in Arabic in Russia. The world's largest flag of Ukraine in Boston on Independence Day. It is 60 meters long, 40 meters wide, and weighs over 200 kilograms. More than 500 people joined this event, organized by Ukrainian Cultural Center of New England.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.